Now the topic before us is features of multinational corporations. Multinational corporations have distinct features which distinguish them from other private sector companies and public sector companies. We have already uploaded course on public sector companies and private sector companies. All these companies, whether they are MNCs, private companies or public sector companies, all these have their own features, own benefits and limitations. Now we come to the features of multinational corporations. First feature is huge capital resources. MNCs have huge financial resources. They enjoy credibility in the capital market. They are also in a position to borrow from financial institutions and international banks because MNCs have operations spread over a large number of countries and they produce quality products. So they have their credibility in the market, in the world market. So many institutions which are of international level or national level are ready to provide funds to the MNCs. Even the investors and banks of the host country are willing to invest in them because of their financial strength. MNCs are able to survive under all circumstances. It may be possible that an a MNC has operations in say 10 countries. Two of its countries have its operations are not giving any profits. They are incurring losses. But in other 8 countries, it may be running into profits. So it does not matter or affect the financial health of the MNC if it is suffering losses in 2 countries and making profits in 8 countries. It can bear the losses. But if a small organization has its operation in a limited area and the said organization is incurring losses, so the small organization may not continue for the long run. Next point is foreign collaboration. MNCs may collaborate with private and public sector companies in the host countries so that it may be at advantageous condition. Next is advanced technology. MNCs use advanced and sophisticated technology in their method of production. Next feature is product innovation. These enterprises have highly sophisticated research and development departments. These departments are engaged in the task of developing new products as well as superior designs of existing products. As MNCs have to compete on the world level, so it pays special attention to the quality of its products. Next point, aggressive marketing strategy. They use aggressive marketing strategies in order to increase their sales in a short period. They possess a more reliable and up to date market information system as they have very large financial resources. They use the latest technology in each and every field and they spend huge amount on advertisement or in collecting the information from the market about the competitors, about its own products, what is the feedback of the general public. So all these types of strategies adopted by the MNCs put the MNCs in an advantageous condition as compared to other organizations. Since their brands are well known, selling their product is not a problem. If a MNC, suppose an MNC has its operations in 40 countries, if it gives an ad on YouTube relating to a particular product in English, the said ad may be viewed by many, the public of many countries. So its brand value is very much on the high side. Next point is global operations through a network of branches. Their operations and activities extend beyond the physical boundaries of the home country. It means that its operations are not limited only to the home country. Its operations are spread over the many countries of the world in addition to the home country. They operate through a network of subsidiaries, branches, and affiliates in host countries. Next point is big economic power. MNCs are powerful economic entities. They go on increasing their economic power through mergers, acquisitions, companies in host countries. Next feature of multinational companies, centralized control. They have their head office located in the home country and exercise control over all branches and subsidiaries which are situated in many countries of the world. Branches and subsidiaries of the MNCs operate within the broad policy framework of the parent company. There is no interference in day-to-day operations. Now these are the questions for your practice. Why do MNCs use aggressive marketing strategies? Why MNCs have highly sophisticated research and development departments? How do MNCs operate in host countries? Next, how do MNCs go on increasing their economic power in the host countries? Where is the head office of MNC located? Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.